Hello, we made these dice a few days ago. We made 8 of them and we used 8. We used these iron thingies to heat the wood up, and yeah, it did this. And then we made some sticks. And here, these are regular dice, you know? Like, I actually, the dice I made, which, this is one of my dice, I think, to how big this is. Every way that you turn, it's a number that you would see on a regular dice. Why? How? Because we got a regular dice. Anyway, so we found this game that we made up, which was about, we just like roll the dice and grab the numbers and 4 plus 5, 9. Seven, 16. 8. There's 16. So the 8. I don't want. Okay, you want me to have it? Okay. Okay, so we're using. Okay, you want your 3 dices? Yeah, you have it. You have the dice. Anyway, so you're going to roll the dice, right? Or do I have to do it? Are you going to do it?
Yeah, I'll roll.
Okay.
2. Another 2. What do you get?
So 3 plus 3. So 6, 9, 15.
Good job. What do you get there?
So you get here. 6 plus 1, so 7. So we got 7 plus 5, 10. Wait, no. Okay, look.
What's 5 and 1? 1 or 6?
6.
Plus 6.
So 12. 12. Seven. So 17 plus 4. One. 22, 23,
Throw them all again.
This one's so here we had 4 ones, 1 4, 1 6, 2 5. So the number one winner. 4. I mean 1. 1. Yes, we got it. Okay, we roll. Okay. Cool. So actually, I'm just gonna like mix them up. Like this. But guys,